All set now, ready to race. And the race is on. Sir Barbaro, Harrods Magic rushing up State Witness. It's now State Witness from the outside. Sir Barbaro, Harrods Magic on the inside, rushing up Stats of Gold fast forward. Alongside Smart and Noble, Be Nice. And by the round final judgment, His Majesty and Bonjour running at the tail of the field. A State Witness by some 2 lengths, followed by Sir Barbaro, Touch of Gold rushing up to take third, and by the rally Harrods Magic on the outside, pass forward as they race the final corner. State Witness by about 5 lengths. Sir Barbaro, Touch of Gold, and nearing the last 100 meters more to run. State Witness by some 5 lengths, followed by Sir Barbaro, and finally number 6 is State Witness, the horse of Mr. Alvin Ferreira. Second, Sir Barbaro, Touch of Gold, Be Nice. Close, Smart and Noble, fast forward.